Good morning, second grade readers. We are going to read a new book called Planting the Wild Garden. From this book, we're going to learn more ways seeds can be dispersed from one place to another. Although this book is a nonfiction book, it is a little different than our last book because the author writes the information in a poetic way. Listen closely for any learning around who or what disperses seeds and how. Planting the Wild Garden, written by Catherine Galbraith. The farmer and her boy plant their garden. They drop seeds, tiny, fat, round, and oval, into the earth. From these seeds, pumpkins and peas, carrots and cabbages will grow. In the wild meadow garden, many seeds are planted too, but not by farmers' hands. Ooh, wish! The wind scatters seeds. It spills them and spins them and sweeps them up into the sunlight and out across the fields. Pritchickery, pritchickery! Waves of black and gold dip into the meadow. Peck, peck, peck. The flock of golden finches bobbles and sways. Some thistle seeds float to the earth. Others are strewn across the meadow in droppings. Under the afternoon sun, the pods of the Scotch broom grow hot and dry. Snap, snap. Out pop their seeds like popcorn from a pan. They land here and there and snap over there, where they will have more room to grow. Plip plop, the rain patters on dusty leaves. Raindrops splash and splatter the dry earth, washing seeds to new places in the meadow. The stream carries seeds too. Gulp, gulp. Minnows dine on some. Others lodge along the bank. Next spring, new pussy willow shoots will poke up through the mud. Hidden in the tall weeds, a rabbit nibbles a stalk of yarrow. Now a nibble of grass. Nibble, nibble. Hop, hop. Another seed falls to the ground. A hungry shadow watches. She slips past the tangle of cockleburs. She creeps through the Queen Anne's lace. Seeds catch on her thick coat. They hook onto her white-tipped tail and... jump, fly off everywhere. In the summer moonlight, 1, 2, 3, 4 masked faces, 4 ringed tails. A family of raccoons feasts on the blackberries. Chomp, chomp, chomp. When they amble home again, bits of berries and seeds go with them. Next spring, new prickly canes will pop up everywhere. Thump, bump, an acorn falls, then another. Quick, quick! The squirrel buries both and hunts for more. When winter comes, scratch, scratch, scratch. Down the snow he digs, one fat acorn, then another, plenty of food to last till spring. Some nuts are lost, but few are wasted. This great oak tree grew from an acorn buried many years ago. Stomp, stomp. People help plant the meadow too. Seeds travel on muddy boots, hitchhike on sweaters, snag on socks, and whoosh, sail on a puff of breath. Seed by seed, we planted this wild meadow garden. Wind and water, birds and animals, plants and people, all of us together.